Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another freaking video for you guys. Today's video, I'm super excited because I'm installing this bomb a unit for you guys today. This unit is water wave. This is the texture of the hair. I do have a 13x4 lace. This unit is 26 inches, as you guys can see. 26 inches, baby. And what I was about to say, the density is 200%, so it's freaking thick, and I'm just here for it, y'all. It's so freaking beautiful. Now I did a little bit different. Y'all know I've done my baby hairs, as you guys can see. I feel like I overplucked a little bit on this side, but it's cool, it's whatever. So we're gonna get right into today's video. Super excited again, like I said, to be installing this unit. Make sure you guys are subscribed. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do that. Don't forget to turn on your notification, okay? Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like straight out the packaging. No product, no wash, no condition, or any of that. This is what she is giving, and this is the overall construction of the unit. So this is what the unit looks like on the mannequin head. I want to show you guys what the frontal portion looked like before I proceed to bleach the knots, which I'm going to show you guys here today, just in case you guys were wondering how I did so. So you want to take some bleach and mix it up, but you want to make sure that your consistency of the bleach is like sticky. It just doesn't fall off, because if it's too liquidy, it will seep onto the hair strands, and then you will have to re-dye the hair strands back black. I did that recently, but I'm just taking a spoon, y'all. I usually use like a popsicle stick or a plastic knife, but I'm just taking a spoon and smoothing it all out, and I leave that on for about 10 minutes. Keep eyeing it, and then I wash it with the purple shampoo. I condition it. So this is how much of the hair came out during that washing procedure. Hardly none, and that's amazing for curly hair. So I'm just taking my Denman brush, just running through the hair using my brush. The curls on this unit is so freaking bomb. Okay, but now we're gonna go ahead and prep her with our heat protectant, our Chi, and my favorite bedhead wax stick. And we're just gonna hot comb everything into place, so it will be easier when I go to secure her on. So this is what the lace looks like once I put her on. Now on that mannequin head, just in a prior clips ago, I did pluck her. I didn't include that in the video, but I did definitely go in, as you guys can see the two clips, and pluck her, because I need her to be a little bit more thin, because the density is 200 on this unit, so it's very, very thick. So I wanted to thin out that frontal section. Now I'm just going in to secure it using my Got to Be glue spray. I think I install it a little bit different in this clip, so I think I leave the access lace on first and then cut off afterwards. So I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can watch. I think me doing it this way is just easier for me now. I don't know why I wasn't getting it in the beginning. It was just doing too much, but I'm just taking some scissors, and these scissors are big, y'all. So now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting jagged edges, okay? And then if I notice any lace sticking up, or the lace ain't fully secured, I just spray a little bit of the Got to Be glue spray. Take my teeth of the comb. You might say tooth of the comb. You take my teeth of the comb and just lay it down, and then I literally just repeat that process throughout the whole entire unit. But I think I'm just showing you guys one section. But I just think this looks amazing. Like this, I don't know. I don't think it's a HHHC lace, but the way the lace is melting into my forehead is just creepy, okay? It's freaking creepy. Creepy in a good way, not a bad way. Like, it's melting like it's what lace? Or what lace?
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
Now I'm taking my face contour kit. I'm using a darker shade in there, and we're just gonna blend that into our hairline. Like I said, I do this as an extra step to, you know, hide that line of demarcation. I don't like that showing too much. So now I'm just gonna put my scarf on, and we're gonna lay that down for like at least 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take it off and proceed with our baby hairs. Alright, so after we let it sit for a little bit, I am taking off my scarf. This is what everything is looking like. I'm really impressed, okay? Now I'm just going back in with my hot comb and just hot combing it a little bit more. I just be extra sometimes because I really didn't need to do that. But I really loved how I plucked this unit. Like I said, I do feel like I over plucked on my left side more than my right. I don't know why I always do that, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do baby hairs. Baby hairs are very optional. You don't have to do this step if you don't like them. I was trying a thing where people are just where I see a lot of people do the swoops on the side and just leave the middle part of the wig like natural without the baby hairs. So I feel like I did a decent job. Y'all know how I do my baby hairs: very thin, very fine, very precise. So this was definitely different for me, doing like that bigger swoops, if that makes sense. But yeah, like I said, I did decent. I don't hate it, but I feel like on my other side it just looks a little weird because I overplucked. Alright guys, so now I'm just taking some water and some foam wrap lotion. I'm just gonna do my curly hair routine. I do my curly hair routine different in the winter because no one wants to be walking around outside with wet hair. That's just not it. Okay, it's just not it. But I think that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this off, and then I'm gonna give you guys my overall thoughts and view of this hair.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Alright guys, so this is pretty much how the hair turns out. Super obsessed with this unit, y'all. Let me tell you something, y'all. I washed the hair. I showed you guys how much of the hair shedded during the washing process. I did bleach the knots and also tint the lace using my tinting spray. You can use foundation, you can use whatever you have. Y'all, this hair was so freaking easy to work with. I did, like I said, shampoo it because I used a purple shampoo though because I had to bleach the knots, and also I conditioned it. So I didn't condition it like a deep conditioner. I just conditioned it, left it in for like 1 to 2 minutes, and rinse it out. So that is all. Now as far as tangling, I got minor tangling from taking it out of the package and detangling it for the first time. That is the most detangling that I had. I had a few sheddings as well when I was doing my slight curly hair routine. Like I said, I didn't do nothing but add water and my foam wrap lotion to this hair. In the winter time, I like to have puffy, curly, poofy hair. I just would like it. I don't really too much like the what is it, the wet hair look. I feel like that's more of a summer look. So this is what it's giving right here, and it didn't take it long to dry because I didn't fully saturate my hair at all. But y'all, I'm really loving it. Like I said, I did over pluck in on my, well, to y'all it's gonna be my, I don't know, but I over plucked a little bit over here, but the hair was already plucked. I showed you guys the hairline in the beginning of the video of what you're gonna be getting, but I took it upon myself to customize it. I want to, you know, start just customizing my laces a little bit more and trying different techniques and things of that nature. It was just pretty much easy to work with overall. Like I said, tangling, shedding, you guys, I gave you guys the rundown of that. But this hair is super duper pretty. I think this is gonna be a perfect unit for the fall / winter time. Yes, for the fall / winter time. I feel like you can get away with wearing like thick bundles during the winter because it's cold, okay? No one has time to be wearing thick bundles, even though we do in the summer. So this is definitely gonna be my fall winter hair. I'm here for it. I'm in love. I'm completely obsessed with this unit. It's so freaking pretty. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought of this look or think of this look. Really hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, your girl, see you later.